Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Skyblazer Cloth Cloak in Crimson Desert. First things first, head over to this side of the map. The spot is directly southwest of Delacia on the cliffs facing Fort Windridge. Now, from where we're standing, we need to get to the tallest part of the castle right over there. I suggest that you have at least level 8 stamina to be able to do this. So this trick will let you fly longer than usual. First, do a full sprint, crouch, and then jump. Do a triple force palm, then one aerial stab pointing upwards. Now press focus, press swift flight, do a forward aerial roll, then immediately press swift flight again. It's important to keep the focus on because for some reason keeping the focus mode on drains stamina slower but increases the distance of our flight. Now all we need to do is land on the tower. Crouch in the square right here, then do a force palm. This should force us into the room with the treasure inside containing the cloak. This cloak comes with 4 defense, ice resistance level 3, and on its 4th level of reinforcement. These are my favorite armor set in the game once you've collected all 4 pieces of equipment. Unfortunately, if you're looking for the boots, this set only comes in 4 pieces of equipment and even the boss, where the set came from, is wearing a different boots. And that is how to get the Skyblazer Cloth Cloak in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.